Hi first graders, welcome to Say It, Tap It, Map It with Mrs. Pappin. I'm so happy you're here with me today. We are going to be working on S-blends again. I can blend, build, and spell words with S-blends. The three S-blends we'll be working with today are ST, st, SN, sn, and SL, sl. All right, my friends. We're going to start by saying the word, then we're going to blend it together, then we're going to tap it, then we're going to map it, okay? Or, in other words, blend it, build it, and spell it. All those same things. All right, our first word today is stop. Please stop when you see a stop sign. Let's blend it together. Stop. Now let's tap it. Stop. Stop. Now Mrs. Pappin would like you to spell your words, mapping it in the boxes on the back of on the next page of your assignment. Okay, so when I say the sound, you're going to write one sound in each box. Here we go. S, t, a, p, stop. Very good, my friends. Let's try another word. Okay, our next word right now is the word step. Please step carefully out in the snow. Please watch your step. All right, here we go. Let's blend the sounds together. S, t, e, p, step. Tap it with me. S, t, e, step. S, t, e, p, step. All right, now I would like you to spell the word step. We're going to map it in the boxes on the second page. Here we go. Writing one sound in each box. Here we go. S, t, e, p, step. Very good, my friends. Let's try another word. Oops. All right, this word is the word stem. Stem. The rose had a long green stem. All right, let's blend it together. Here we go. S, t, e, m, stem. Let's tap it together. S, t, e, m, stem. S, t, e, m, stem. And now I would like you to map it. Go to the next page and put one sound in each box. Here we go. S, t, e, m, stem. Good work, my friends. All right, we're going to try some more words. Here we go. A little bit of a change up now. Now we're going to do some SN blends. All right, this word is snip. We are going to snip a picture out of the catalog and glue it on our paper. All right, here we go. Snip. Blend it with me. N, I, P, snip. All right, tap it with Mrs. Pappin. S, N, I, P, snip. Good job. One more time. S, N, I, P, snip. All right, I'd like you to go to the next page, and now we're going to map it. One sound per box. Let's write the word snip. Here we go. S, N, I, P, snip. Very good. Let's try another word. Let's try another SN blend. This time we're going to try the word snap. Okay, friends? Snap. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's blend it together. S, N, A. Oh, Mrs. Pappin did it wrong. I made a mistake. You know what? That happens. Teachers make mistakes just like kids do, but that's okay. I'll fix it. Sorry, kiddos. We'll try it again. Okay? This time, our word is snap. I like to snap my fingers. Okay, here we go. Let's blend it together. S, N, A, P, snap. Do it with me. Let's tap it out. S, N, A, P, snap. One more time. N, A, P, snap. Excuse me. Good job, my friends. Now I'd like you to go to the next page on your seesaw assignment, and you're going to write your sounds into the boxes or map it. Here we go. S, N, A, P, snap. Good job, friends. Now we're going to move to some SL blends. Okay, now we're going to move to some SL blends. All right. Are you ready? This word is slap. Please don't slap your paper against the wall. Okay? Slap. Please don't slap your brother. Right? All right, here we go. We are going to slide each sound into the box. Let's sound it out together. Here we go. S, A, P, slap. Okay? Tap it with me. S, A, P, slap. One more time. S, A, P, slap. 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 All right, you're going to go to the next page. You might even need to be on page 3 now. And we're going to map the word slap. We're going to put one sound in each box. Here we go. S, A, P, slap. How'd you do, friends? You're working really hard today. I'm proud of you. All right, we're going to try one more SL blend here. Our next word is slam. Mom doesn't like it when I slam the door. So please shut the door quietly. All right, here we go. Let's blend it together. Here we go. S, A, slam. Okay, let's tap it together. S, A, slam. S, A, slam. And now we are going to go to our third page again, and we're going to map it. We're going to write our words. Okay, as I say the sounds, you write the letters down and spell it. Here we go. One sound per box. S, A, slam. All right, you worked hard today, first graders. I'm very proud of you. I will check your work on Seesaw, so hopefully after we set it and tapped it, say it, tap it, map it, after you've mapped it, then we'll check your words to see how you did, if you were doing okay with your spelling of the words. All right, nice work today. Thank you for working so hard, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, friends.